Well, the weekend didn't turn out terribly. I know we had a pretty good start and sort of a rough finish, but at least we had some time to get out and enjoy the weather before the rains came. Made a miserable day for Sunday, and Saturday evening with the risk of severe weather and heavy downpours. We're not going to see any of that for a little while to come, although there's still a chance of rain in our 7-day. It'll be the back half of it. So winter weather advisory now continues. Could have some more snow accumulation above 3,500 feet, and wind chills are going to be dropping. It already feels a little chillier, doesn't it? Our wind chills are going to be down to 30s and teens, possible for the mountains to start the work week. Our temperatures are not going to rebound much either. We're going to be a lot cooler this week than we have been lately, and we'll be generally dry. I'm saying generally because there's still a slight chance of some rain in the back half of the 7-day. There is a winter weather advisory for all these counties. And these are the ones right along the North Carolina line and on the other side. Now what's going to happen is we're getting some of the changeover as that moisture comes into the mountains, and we're getting that snow deposit with our temperatures dropping. But the wind will shift, and we're going to get an upslope flow on the other side of the mountains, which will deposit more snow there in North Carolina, and that's why they're under winter weather advisory as well. Dusting possible below 3,000 feet, yeah, maybe a little bit more in some cases, but generally just a dusting or so. And then 1 to 3 inches above 3,500 feet, and certainly more than that as you get up much higher, above 4,000 feet. We could have a few inches. It'll be pretty, I'm sure, especially from a distance even, once we scour out some of the clouds. And we are going to get a little clearing come tomorrow afternoon. Precipitation for today. We've had over an inch officially at the airport. You add that to yesterday's total, which was over 3/4 of an inch, about 2 inches out of this event. Some of us got maybe up to 3 inches for extreme amounts. Others perhaps an inch or less, just depending on if you got those thunderstorms overhead and dumping on you. Now for the month, we're looking even better. 3-inch surplus for the year. Well, we have a deficit, but it's going to be difficult to wipe that away since we don't have much time left for the year. However, we really need the rain to alleviate this drought, and I'm sure it'll be modified with all this rain we've received lately. 59 was our high. That was a midnight high. And 43 the low, but it may be modified because we'll probably hit the low at midnight come tonight. Monthly precipitation, just give you an idea where we are, especially with this drought that really kind of started when we turned the tap off on the rain after August. Well, now you can see December's going up. And typically we get more rain in December and months ahead, and hopefully that will be the case, especially since it's an El Nino year. 29 in Lenore City. This will be your forecast low. Most of it's going to be down below freezing. We have some 20s too. Look at Crossville, 24 to start. It's going to feel a little chillier too with that wind just blowing a little bit. Even if it's 5 to 10 miles an hour, it'll probably feel a few degrees chillier than the actual temperature. And our lows, well, they're going to stay in that ballpark. Even though they go down a little bit on Tuesday, they're going to be right around freezing all the way through the week. Here's that system, back half of it. See the clouds thickening up, overriding the mountains, and that's why we're having a little change over there with that moisture. Back behind it, dry air. This is water vapor imagery. So that, as it comes in, will help erode the clouds. And that's why we're going to start off with some cloud cover and then eventually have a little sunshine in the afternoon. Futurecast demonstrates that at noon. Rain, moisture gone. Actually, it's midnight. Rain and moisture gone. The snow, too, in the mountains, just a little bit left over. And then by 7 a.m., we will notice some breaking clouds in some spots, but the clouds will slowly erode. By 5 p.m., we'll still have some around, but more sunshine will be back to the west and south than to the east and north. 30 degrees overnight tonight will be our low, and then 44 wind chills in 20s and 30s all day long. At 44 is a high temperature, which means much of the day we will have numbers in the 30s anyway. 52 for Tuesday, lows still right around freezing. We'll need the coats pretty much every morning, maybe the jackets every afternoon. The sunshine will help make it feel warmer though as it comes out in almost full force in the middle of the week. By the weekend, there's our chance of rain. Come Sunday, we may have a 30% possibility, and going into Monday too to get more soaking downpours. Hope you have a terrific week this week. I'll see you again soon.